Here's a quick rundown of what makes Vail an awesome summer destination. First off, calendar of events. The GoPro Mountain Games have always kind of kicked off the summer out there. They used to be a little earlier around Memorial Day. This year, they're starting June 8th, running through June 11th. Second, Ford Amphitheater Summer Concert Series is incredible. It's crazy, the amazingly beautiful venue and the talent that the amphitheater has coming to it. June 21st kicks off that season for the concerts. My favorites are the Moe's Original Barbecue Hot Summer Night Series, and those are Tuesday nights, June through August, and they're free concerts. It's the same talent, the same entertainment you'd get for all the paid tickets. It's just an incredible local spot to go and just enjoy an evening out. If you're a dance fan, then July 28th to August 7th, the dance festival comes out. Incredible dance from ballet to contemporary, everything in between. Alongside all of that, Saturdays starting in June all the way through October is the farmers market. Great food, great art, great entertainment, just all throughout the village. And late June, you've got the Vail Art Festival. I don't have exact dates for that. Click any of the links below. You'll find information for planning your summer trip to Vail. And I guarantee if you like it in the winter, you're going to fall in love with the summer. We hope to see you out and about.